1. Exogenous.
बाहर की तरफ इजाफों से नमू पाने वाला.
Found or coming from outside something e.ga system or a person's body or mind. Synonyms: external, extrinsic. Antonyms: endogenous, internal. 2. Imbroglio, noun.
पेचीदा मामला, अलझे.
An extremely confused, complicated, or embarrassing situation. Example: the abdication imbroglio of 1936. Synonyms: complicated situation, complication, complexity, problem, difficulty, predicament. Antonyms: agreement, ease, harmony, peace. 3. Veering.
मोना रुख बदलना.
To change direction or turnabout, or a side/shift. Synonyms: bend, deflect. Antonyms: stay, keep to. 4. Stranded, adjective.
घिरा हुआ, फंसा छोड़ देना.
Left without the means to move from somewhere. Example: she offers a lift to a stranded commuter. Synonyms: helpless, without help/assistance, without resources, in difficulties, in the lurch, abandoned. Antonyms: offshore, afloat. 5. Dominance, noun.
बालादस्ती, गलबा, फौकियत.
Power and influence over others. Example: the worldwide dominance of Hollywood. Synonyms: supremacy, superiority, ascendancy, preeminence, predominance, domination, dominion. Antonyms: subservience, subjugation. 6. Indispensable, adjective.
निहायत ज़रूरी, लाज़मी, अटल.
Absolutely necessary. Example: he made himself indispensable to the parish priest. Synonyms: essential, crucial, necessary, key, vital, needed, required, called for, requisite. Antonyms: dispensable, superfluous, non-essential. 7. Blured.
लालच/वरगलाना.
Something that persuades one to perform an action for pleasure or gain. Synonyms: allurement, enticement, come one. Antonyms: alert, notice. 8. Bereft, adjective.
जुदाई का गम, मोहब्बत में नाकाम, आरी, महरूम.
Deprived of or lacking something. Example: her room was stark and bereft of color. Synonyms: deprived of, robbed of, stripped of, denuded of, cut off from, parted from, devoid of. Antonyms: endowed, enriched, compensated, consoled. 9. Unequivocally.
मुश्तबा, वाज़े न होना.
Not subject to misinterpretation or more than one interpretation. Synonyms: apparent, clear-cut, luminous. Antonyms: incomprehensible, unfathomable. 10. Simultaneous, adjective.
बैक वक्त, एक साथ, एक ही वक्त में.
Occurring, operating, or done at the same time. Example: a simultaneous withdrawal of troops. Synonyms: concurrent, happening at the same time, done at the same time, contemporaneous, concomitant. Antonyms: asynchronous. 11. Havoc, noun.
तबाही, उजाड़ना.
Widespread destruction. Example: the hurricane ripped through Florida causing havoc. Synonyms: devastation, destruction, damage, desolation, depredation, despoliation. Antonyms: peace. 12. Emit, verb.
खारिज करना, निकालना, इखराज.
Produce and discharge something, especially gas or radiation. Example: even the best cars emit carbon dioxide. Synonyms: discharge, release, give out/off, pour out, send forth, throw out, void, diffuse, vent. Antonyms: absorb. 13. Sagacity, noun.
غير मामूली ज़हानत.
The quality of being sagacious. Example: a man of great political sagacity. Synonyms: wisdom, deep, insight, intelligence, understanding, judgment, acuity, astuteness. Antonyms: stupidity. 14. Resilience, noun.
लचक, नरमी, उभरने की कुवत.
the capacity to recover quickly from difficulties, toughness. Example, the often remarkable resilience of so many British institutions. Synonyms: flexibility, pliability, suppleness, plasticity, elasticity, springiness, spring, give. Antonyms: rigidity, fragility, vulnerability, weakness. 15. Oblivious, adjective.
भूलने वाला, ध्यान न रखने वाला.
Not aware of or concerned about what is happening around one. Example, she became absorbed, oblivious to the passage of time. Synonyms: unaware, unconscious, heedless, unmindful, insensible, unheeding, ignorant, blind. Antonyms: aware, conscious. 16. Ire.
غصة.
Anger. Synonyms: annoyance, fury. Antonyms: diligent, calm. 17. Strife, noun.
झगड़ा, इख्तिलाफ, निज़ा.
Angry or bitter disagreement over fundamental issues, conflict. Example, strife within the community. Synonyms: conflict, friction, discord, disagreement, dissension, variance, dispute, argument. Antonyms: harmony, peace, cooperation. 18. Widen, verb.
चौड़ा होना, कुशादा करने का अमल.
Make or become wider. Example, we should widen the scope of our investigation. Synonyms: broaden, make/become wider, open up, open out, spread, expand, extend. Antonyms: narrow, restrict, limit. 19. Indignant, adjective.
नाराज, बरहम, खफा.
Feeling or showing anger or annoyance at what is perceived as unfair treatment. Example, he was indignant at being the object of suspicion. Synonyms: aggrieved, resentful, affronted, disgruntled, discontented, dissatisfied, angry, distressed. Antonyms: content. 20. Forlorn, adjective.
बेकिस, नाउमीदी, खतरनाक.
Pitifully sad and abandoned or lonely. Example, forlorn figures at bus stops. Synonyms: unhappy, sad, miserable, sorrowful, dejected, despondent, disconsolate, wretched. Antonyms: happy. For more videos, subscribe our channel. Dawn Vocabulary. youtube.com/@dawnvocabulary. Like, subscribe, share and comments.